What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing AI dating profile. There are a lot of talentless losers who are trying to make a business out of showing guys this, but this takes 2 seconds. If I ever sell anything, it's gonna be something that I actually had to grind to work at. A lot of losers trying to be coaches, selling this, or just telling guys to be confident. So let's get right into it. So you can go to higgsfields.ai. I'll put a link in there. Image. Actually, no, go create your character first. So literally just go to create character. Boom. Click on that. Character. Create character. Upload images. Take a shit ton of photos of yourself. A ton of selfies, different positions, just your face. You upload it. Boom. Takes a little minute. Done. Alright, so sorry I got my weird photos. You could definitely do better, right? I don't have any of the generation right now. You're just going to click generate right in the corner. Alright? Boom. You're going to need to probably sign up. You go to pricing, basic plan or pro plan. So you're going to spend like $9 to $14. Something like that. Depending. There should be a sale. Now, create image. So you've created yourself as a character, right? These are some that I created. Now, there's only 2 things you need to do. First, you set it up, the settings, Soul 3-4 high. Select yourself as the character. It takes a little minute to generate. You click this here, select the type of photo. iPhone is the best. That's a big problem with a lot of the AI models, is the photos look just ridiculous. Now, some of them are going to look ridiculous, but you got to play around with it. By the way, subscribe, guys. I'm more of an in-person guy. I don't really need to date online, but, you know, it's kind of fun. Get some girls delivered to your place, and it's useful for a lot of guys. And then you just put in your prompt, right? So make me, you already selected your character. Make me playing the drums, looking happy and relaxed. And you could toss in there like make me like 10% more muscular. You know, you don't want to change yourself a lot. You want to look mostly like you. But boom, like, and you know, you want to do things you really do. Like, I actually play drums. It made me a nice picture. It looks good. I look a little more muscular, right? These look like me, but you just make it a little tiny bit better. All right. And then the last thing you can do that's really good is you could find an image online of something you want, and it will insert you in there. And that's all you do. And this is what everyone's doing. Tons of people are like charging guys $1,000 to make images, and you know, it's freaking easy to do. You know, I don't believe in that, just like hoping that, trying to pull one over on your customers, doing something super easy, it takes 2 seconds, and then selling guys and hoping no one finds out how easy it is. Come on now. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to show it to you. On that note, subscribe. I'm going to have a lot of good stuff on this channel. I went through the grind to learn how to pick up girls, to get really good at it. You know, something like this, people are charged for and give it away for free. And then boom, you just click generate. And you know, you have to go through the pictures. There's going to be a little trial and error of getting good ones. The more images of you put, the better. But I did this, you know, produces like decent amount of matches. If you put more, I get enough dates. If I put more time into it, made more pictures, probably you could just kill it. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to the channel. A lot of guys are charging for this. That's how it's done. Take care.